Today, we're diving into one of the most impactful innovations in AI, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. Large language models like ChatGPT are powerful. They can generate code, write poetry, and summarize news. But here's the challenge. What if we could make them smarter, more accurate, and less likely to hallucinate? That's exactly what RAG does. What is RAG? At its core, RAG combines two things. Retrieval, finding relevant information from an external source. Generation, using that information to craft a high-quality response. Think of it like a smart student who can also search a library before answering your question. Instead of guessing when unsure, they find real information and then respond. That's the magic of RAG. Why RAG matters? So why is this important? 1. Reduces hallucinations. Grounding responses in real data makes LLMs more trustworthy. 2. Updates stale knowledge. LLMs don't know anything post-training. RAG fixes that with real-time retrieval. 3. Adds domain expertise. Instead of retraining a model on your internal docs, RAG retrieves them when needed. 4. Improves transparency. You can trace where the information came from, crucial in healthcare, law, and finance. RAG turns your model from a generalist into a reliable expert. How RAG works. Quick overview. Here's how RAG functions in a nutshell. 1. You ask a question. 2. The system retrieves relevant content from a knowledge base. 3. That content is combined with your question. 4. The model generates an answer using both the question and the retrieved facts. The whole process happens in milliseconds and feels seamless to the user. Real-world applications. Customer support. RAG helps chatbots reference internal docs for accurate, up-to-date responses. Medical research. Doctors can get info based on the latest studies, not just outdated training data. Legal advice. Lawyers can ask questions grounded in recent rulings or firm-specific policies. In short, RAG makes AI more useful where precision matters most. RAG versus traditional LLMs. A regular LLM answers from memory. If it doesn't know something, it may improvise. With RAG, the model consults an external source, like checking textbooks before answering. The result? More factual, relevant, and trustworthy outputs. A thought experiment. Imagine you're building an AI for a local historical society. How would you apply RAG? What archives would you use as a knowledge base? How would you format the data for retrieval? Why would RAG outperform a general LLM here? Think about it. This is where the power of RAG really shines. Final thoughts. RAG enhances the intelligence of language models by grounding them in reality. The smarter AI, not just generative, but informed. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this gave you a solid grasp of RAG and how you can start thinking about using it in your own work. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep building.